Heart health in winter. Does cold weather increase heart attack risks? Cardiologist explains. Heart health in winter. Cardiologist explains how a drop in temperatures causes blood vessels to constrict, increasing blood pressure and putting added strain on the heart. Winter heart health. Winters come with a lot of health challenges, especially for individuals with heart conditions. The incidence of heart attacks rises during this weather. This happens because, during cold weather, the blood vessels tend to contract, which can elevate blood pressure. This forces the heart to work harder in order to pump blood throughout the body and maintain the heat. Discomfort in the chest, dizziness, difficulty breathing, or discomfort in the arms or shoulders are a few first signs of a heart attack that one must be aware of in order to take quick action. Heart health in winter. Who is at higher risk of heart attack? People of all ages are vulnerable to heart attack, but it is more common in a certain group of people, such as individuals with already existing heart conditions, the elderly, individuals who have a high consumption of alcohol, smokers, individuals who have a sedentary lifestyle. Expert tips to prevent heart attacks during winters. Keeping the heart healthy during winter brings a lot of challenges and exposes it to various cardiovascular diseases, so here are a few tips that can prevent them. Staying physically active. During winter, individuals tend to have a sedentary lifestyle that lowers their heart functions. It is essential to stay active and include exercise and sports in your daily routine. Following a healthy diet. Taking a proper diet with food rich in protein and carbohydrates can help in maintaining the body temperature, and in turn, the heart would not have to work hard for it. Avoiding excess exposure. Staying indoors as much as possible is advised for people with pre-existing heart conditions.